Hi, this is David with David's Tutorials, and in this video I'm in course 162 of my Building Websites with David playlist, and this video will be how to recover a previous web page in WordPress. Recently I got an email from one of my website clients that said, I just went in to take a look at something and it looks like the current concert season page has been wiped. And she goes on to tell me, can I please go fix it for her? And so we'll do that right now. This is the website I'm building. It's for the Lone Star Symphonic Band. And she said the current concerts page. So we're on the home page now. Let's go over to the concerts menu and it says current concert season. I click on that and we see that there is nothing on the page. It is gone. So let's go over to the dashboard of this website and we'll go to the pages item and we're going to look at all pages. We're going to go to the current concert season, this listing, and I'm going to pick edit with a classic editor because I have the classic editor plugin installed. Now what we need to do is not really anything that's on this page normally, so we're going to come up here to screen options, drop that down, and we're going to come right over here to where it says revisions and make sure that is checked. If it's not checked, go ahead and check it. We can turn off the screen options pop down right now, and we come down below the content area and we see we have revisions. Now the latest revision was by Beverly 3 days ago, and here's me that we will restore that one. I'm going to click on that, and you'll notice when I click on that, it gives us compare revisions of current concert season page. Now, up here at the top, it tells you this is the latest one. This is the one we're on right now, and here's all the previous revisions that it has stored. Unless you've dumped them, they will be there. Now, what's down below here tells you what the changes were, and it's all in HTML code. And you know what? You don't really need to worry about that. All you need to do is to restore this revision. So I'm going to click on that to restore that revision, and it twiddles for a minute, and then it comes back. Now what I want to do is update this page, and it twiddles, and when it comes back, let's now go over to the other tab on the browser, and I'm going to press F5, which will refresh it. And look at there, we now have the current concert season page is back. And that's all you need to know to learn how to restore a previous version of a web page in WordPress. It doesn't have to be in Divi, it can be pretty much any theme. This is a WordPress feature. So give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was helpful, and give us a comment down in the comment section below, which will help us build our channel on YouTube. And subscribe to David's Tutorials if you're not already a subscriber. Click the bell icon and you'll be notified for future updates on this channel. Take care, everybody.